Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Mortal Cell 2 game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. First fix is steps to fix sound or audio problem in Mortal Cell 2 game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down, click on more sound settings. Select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down first select off option, hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check if the sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Second fix is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Mortal Cell 2 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using a headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. This is for the Bluetooth headphones user. So steps to fix sound or audio problem in Mortal Cell 2 game if you're using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Then go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Mortal Cell 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.